Being an engineer, I enjoy technology. I work on technology development activities. There's real-time images that they can show me, this is what just occurred, we've had this photo, look at this. So it's very interesting to me to see that, and it seems to be right up where it needs to be. Yeah.
I really was looking for someone to straighten my teeth because I'd had crooked teeth my entire life, and I just wanted straight teeth. And he just sounded the part, sounded the perfect person, because he's so soft-spoken and very calming, very calming. Yeah, he just is, he explains what he's doing, and I was in that chair for a lot of hours, but he explains what he's doing, and it was just very easy.
It was amazing, the amazing difference, you know. I can see give you an appearance thing there. It's if you had a before and after, it'd be amazing. Maybe they have that somewhere still, because I know at the time they took some pictures. It was really remarkable what can be done. So, you know, like you would expect, it helps your confidence. It helps your normally to smile more and all that. And so it's well worth it, something like that.
Whenever anybody asks me about cosmetic dentistry, I say don't go to anybody but Dr. Hadley. I'm not even kidding. I mean, I'm really serious about it. I've had people go to other places and end up not being happy with the results, and a lot of people are interested in cosmetic dentistry, and I always tell them, come see Dr. Hadley, because when I left after I got my porcelain veneers, I really felt like he captured the essence of my smile, that I didn't end up with a row of chiclets, and it was as if they were my own teeth. I never had to adjust to them. I just walked out and they felt perfectly normal to me.
I was totally amazed at what he did for me, so I'd refer anyone to him just because of that. I mean, I've always been happy with his work that he's done, but to me, I thought my teeth were going to have to be pulled. I thought I wouldn't have, you know, my front teeth, but I was totally amazed at what he did for me, so I love the guy.
Our hygienist Suzette does such a thorough job and gets in the crevices and crannies so well that we don't have to come back for another 6 months.
The staff is wonderful. They're friendly, and they have smiles. They're good at the bookwork part, and now it's computer work. I'm just, you know, as I said, they do their job. I'm happy. I come, I leave, and I forget about it for 6 months.
Oh, they're all so nice. I actually like coming in, and it's just like coming in to see my friends. They always call me by name. They very friendly when you come in. They greet you. When they call to remind you of an appointment, they're very cheerful on the phone. And when you leave, they're, you know, bye, see you next time, come back. You know, and they're very, very nice.
I think a lot of preconceived notions about cosmetic dental stuff is that it's going to be really expensive, or it's going to hurt a lot, or take a lot of time. And it doesn't. I mean, both procedures, I was fine at the end of the day. No pain medicine or taking time off from work or anything like that. It's also very affordable. I thought it was kind of something that only the select few could have, but it's not. I mean, it's very affordable.
First time I came in, when I had to have a root canal and had to have a tooth pulled, I was petrified. I don't like dentists because I've experienced it in my childhood with dentists. So he was very patient with me. Very calm, very patient.
Usually when anybody asks me about him, I refer to him as like Mr. Rogers. He's really friendly. He's really responsive to anything that you say, and he listens instead of just being like, well, you know, I'm gonna know what's best for this. I mean, he really listens to what, you know, you need opposed to what he thinks. So, and I mean, and he knows best, but he's a really great dentist. I like him.
Dr. Hadley is kind because he is so gentle, and he just understands our fear. I've been to other dentists that they just didn't quite get it. And I can remember getting a tooth pulled and telling the dentist, oh, but I'm not numb all the way, and they still pulled it. Dr. Hadley listens to the patient.
I'm just amazed at the work he's done from back when I was a child. The work back then was primitive, to say the least. And everything that he does at, the chair side, from injections to, numbing up the area, telling about the procedure, what to expect on the line, is night and day compared to what I had as a child growing up, which was just traumatizing.
He's an easy person to talk to. He remembers who you are as an individual, and I know he sees a lot of different patients, but he knows me. He knows of me, of my family, and he's very easy and comfortable to be around. And he explains to you what he's going to do. He explains why he's doing it, and it's just a very good relationship, and it's a very good approach to dentistry, to providing any service for that matter.
I come all the way out from Oregon. It's about a 50-mile drive. I basically know that when I come to Dr. Hadley's office, I'm going to get the best, the cream of the crop. So I will go out of my way for that. It's important.